This is another airdrop alert. Hello everybody, my name is Sinad and welcome to another episode of The Clever Millionaire. Before we get started, I would appreciate it if you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, check out the links in the description box below for some free crypto. Check out their Root Car Insurance link if you want to save some money on your insurance policy. I personally use Root myself. I absolutely love the rates that I'm receiving and I highly recommend them. So to qualify for this airdrop, you have to be staking either Atom, JUNO, or Osmosis. If you're staking all three, you're going to get even more coins. And now without wasting any more of your time, let's go over to the computer screen so I can show you exactly how to claim your airdrop. Let's go. Alright, so now we are on the official website of OraiDEX. I will have a link for it in the description box below for easy access. So the first thing that we have to do is obviously connect our wallet. I'm using Kepler. We're going to connect it, and now you can see my wallet is connected. It is super easy. If this is your first time connecting, it will ask you to approve a bunch of stuff. I simply press approve and I move on to the next step. And now on this screen, you will see that for the Oraya, I'm not even qualified. But they have all these chains that pretty much allow you to qualify for this airdrop. So the first one we're going to click on is Atom. Also, we do not get any free tokens. The next one is Atom Cosmos Hub. Once we press on this one, you will see that we qualify for a total of 290 tokens. And we can claim 116, which is pretty sweet. Also, if we check on the other ones, for example, Osmosis, we can claim some more tokens as well. And then the last one is JUNO. And as you can see, we qualify for some free tokens there as well. So to get some Oraya in your wallet, you simply have to press on Bridge. This will bring up your Kepler wallet. You're simply going to press approve and it will show you your Atom balance and Osmosis. The balances that are not staked, that are pretty much just sitting in your wallet. So once everything is connected, we're simply going to transfer some Atom over to Oraya Chains Atom. So we're simply going to click on it. I will transfer like half, which is like 38 cents. We're going to press transfer to Oraya Chain. We're going to put low fees, approve. Transaction is broadcasting. Should be over in like 30 seconds. All right, transaction successful. All right, so once we have transferred some Atom over to Oraya Chain, we can go to claim Oraya. Then we're going to press on JUNO to see if it works this time. I'm going to press 0 fees, approve. Hopefully this goes through. We have successfully claimed 26 coins. And that is how simple and easy it is, guys. All right, so now we're going to claim all the other ones as well. Also, fees 0. Awesome. Let's see. One thing that I like about this airdrop is that you can automatically convert this back to USDT, which is pretty sweet in my opinion. Let me get another one before my laptop turns off. It is literally on red. Let's go, come on. All right, this one was successful as well. Also, one thing about this airdrop is you can automatically see it in your Kepler wallet. Let's scroll down, check it out. We have 205 coins so far. One other thing that's good about this airdrop is you can literally swap it out anytime you want. So let's see, we have the OraiDEX. Right now it's worth not even a penny. So if we do the whole max amount, we will get around $2. But guys, I will be claiming the rest of them as they become available. My plan is to get some free tokens, stake them, and hopefully in the next bull run, these tokens will be worth a lot more money. Is they have pools where you are able to earn even more. As you can see, they have OraiDEX pairs where you are able to earn 200% APR. Also Oraya Atom and Oraya USDT with a respectable 150% APR. Obviously, guys, these APRs are not going to stay this high. As more people contribute to these pools, these APRs are going to go lower. So if you want to participate in these pools, you can simply go back to swap, select your OraiDEX tokens. You can swap some for USDT, for Atom or Oraya, whichever pair you want to stake in the pools, and then you can earn some extra coins that way as well. So that is how easy and simple it is to claim this airdrop. One thing that I like about it is active already. You can literally take the free coins, you can put it in a pool to earn even more, or you can simply convert it to Atom or USDT and you can sell them, do whatever you want with this airdrop. Obviously, it is not a ton of money, probably just a couple of dollars, but it is better than nothing. And as always, do your own research and let me know in the comment section below how many free tokens you get. Like, subscribe, see you in the next airdrop video. Peace out.